Hi everyone. So I thought I would show you how I'm trying to do the spine in my Halloween journal. As you know, it's the other way around, the way that I normally do it. So this is all just a big experiment at the moment. So I've made the holes with my Crocodile Big Bite as usual. And the thing is, to cover up, this is going to be the outside, but to cover up the inside, this will be the inside. I need to cover this up because I don't want this kind of showing. So I've cut myself a little bit of material to cover it up. I've made the holes, and the beauty of this idea, if it actually works, is that the holes are already here on the back. So what I'll do once I've stuck this down is to go through the holes with a pokey tool, and then hopefully we'll have holes on the inside as well. That's the plan. I wonder if it will work. Let's see. This is all a little bit of an adventure for me. This isn't the normal way round that I do these mini journals, so it's a bit of an adventure. So I'm going to stick here like that, down the sides, along the bottom. We can sort the bottom out in a minute. I'm going to go down in between the holes. I'm going to go up in between the holes, like that. Now, it won't really matter if there is a bit of show through here, because the this will be covered up by the signatures mainly. So it's I just come off the edge a little bit. There we go. So, oh goodness gracious, this is so exciting. All right, let's just, you know what? Let's just slap it down. Slap it down and see where we get to. Right, okay, that's all slapped down there. Now, I'm just going to trim off the edge. We can do this a little bit nicer later. I'm just doing it to get it out of the way for the time being. We can trim that off properly, and I'll probably cover it with lace anyway. So we'll just trim it down a bit, and then we'll tidy that up later on. We'll tidy these edges up later on as well, and we'll stick them all down, or we'll trim them back to where they need to be trimmed to. That's all fine. The thing I'm really concerned about here is getting the holes to come through so that we can actually put the signatures in. So I can see where the hole is. Should be able to make the hole. It's the middle one. And make the hole. So even if you can't see it very well, you can feel them. Poke that through there. So you can start to see them. Now, it's not going to be easy to see them, but they are there. It's be more a bit of kind of feel your way with this when we start to bind this, I think. But I think we're going to manage it. Okay, and the bottom ones down here. There's the middle one. Okay, so now we have all of our holes. We'll be able to feel them, so it'll be fine. We just have to go nice and slowly when we do the binding, so that we can be sure that we're gonna get it right. And then that's gonna be that. Then I'll trim off the bottoms, and I'll trim off the bottoms. I'll trim this edge here a little bit as well. And then we'll be putting some paper here, and that will be our cover. So that's just a little quickie. of how I managed to work out how to cover the inside. Fingers crossed it'll work. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.